Students of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication of Tripura University today stake a peaceful protest demanding the immediate provision of essential video editing equipments required for their academic coursework, particularly for practical video production classes. The protesting students of Tripura University JMC department expressed concern that the absence of necessary editing infrastructure is severely affecting their hands-on learning experience and hindering the successful completion of course requirements. They stated that video production is a core component of journalism and mass communication education, where practical exposure to industry standard equipment is indispensable. Raising slogans, the students urged the university administration to address the issue on priority, emphasizing that the lack of editing facilities compromises the quality of professional training and puts students at a disadvantage in a highly competitive media industry. Students pointed out that journalism education today extends beyond theoretical classroom instructions and requires robust practical engagement in multimedia production, digital storytelling, and post-production editing. Without adequate equipment, they argued that the department cannot effectively deliver the curriculum as designed.
We are the students of journalism and mass communication department, and in journalism and mass communication it is very important to have editing equipments because we have editing subject from first semester to last semester, and due to the lack of these equipments we have been unable to edit videos. It's lacking behind quality education, so we need this. It's very urgent. Everyone of our department, we need this editing equipment.
और हमको बहुत ही दिक्कत हो रहा है क्योंकि वीडियोग्राफी उसके बाद एडिटिंग में बहुत सारे इक्विपमेंट की ज़रूरत होती है जो हमको नहीं मिल रहा है, और जिसके कारण हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट सही टाइम में सबमिट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और कर पा रहे हैं तो उसका क्वालिटी अप टू द मार्क नहीं है। तो इसीलिए हम आज प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि हमको या तो अच्छे क्वालिटी के इक्विपमेंट दिए जाए या फिर हमारा जो एग्ज़ाम डेट है वो थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाया जाए।
The protesters appealed to the concerned authorities for immediate intervention and timely procurement of the required editing equipment so that the academic activities can continue without disruption. The demonstration remained peaceful, reflecting the students' collective demand for better academic resources and infrastructure essential for quality media education. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.